Welcome to the Python Scripter YouTube channel, and in this video we will learn about formatting text. So first we learned how to print statements using the print command. So simply you can type print, and within inverted commas you can type any message. So let's say uh, I am a computer, you might say. So this is a statement. But when it comes to like including variables, let's say my computer number, we can type computer number equal, let's say 2. So this computer number I have to include it in the here. So to do that I use the plus, and I can do something like converting to a string using str, and I can call the computer number variable. So in this is one way which we can use to do this. So if I run this, you can see that I am a computer and 2. So there's no space. I can add a space purposely by clicking here and adding a space before the end of the uh, this sentence. So once I run it again, you can see that it is now corrected to a I'm a computer 2. So another method which I can use to do this, or to do this in a easy way, is to use string formatting. So you can basically type the print command, and to format the strings, first add a F letter, and within inverted commas you can type anything. So next I will write the same statement. I am a computer. So in order to call the variable, you can use curly braces, and between curly braces you can call any variable. So our variable is computer number. So I can type computer number. So if I run this, let's see the result. So again, as expected, there's no space in between 2 and the word computer. So you can purposely add a space over here. So in this way we can correct the statement, and now you can see that we get identical results. So we can include the variables within curly braces. So let's try to write myself using the print statement. So my name, first one, name, we can say my name. So I write Sandun here. So that's my name, and age I can say 20, age equal 26. So I'm 26 years old, and let's say my eye color. So my eye color, I can say it's black. So I have these three things. So to include these three things in the print statement, I can write print, and next I can keep on typing. So I will type if to format the string. So here I am, then I can call the variable. What's my variable? Name. So I am Sandun, and you can add a comma and a space. Then next, then I will write my second sentence here. I am, again I am, I have to call the age variable. So within curly braces I call upon age. So I am 26 years old. So see how easy it is to use these Python string formatting to call variables within the curly braces. So print I am Sandun, I am 26 years old. Then you can write the next sentence. Here I will add a comma and place a space. My eye color is, and within curly braces I have to add a space here because I don't want to everything to appear over each other. So I add a space here. Within curly braces I will call the variable my eye color. So in this way we manage to format the content. So if I click the run button, you can notice that I am Sadun, I am 26 years old, my eye color is black. So in this way we can easily format strings in Python. So thank you very much for watching this video.